Welcome. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your home? In today's video on Top 5 Tray, we'll explore some of the best robot vacuums and mop combos available. Each of these devices offers unique features designed to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Before we dive in, if you enjoy this content and want to see more amazing gadgets that simplify your life, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the best product reviews and tips. Let's get started and find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. In number 5, we have iRobot Roomba Combo Vacuum and Mop Y0110.
You just got your top 5 fixed. Now hit subscribe, save it, and binge the channel. Trust me, you'll want to stick around.